Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And today we're going to be going into cleaning some floor mats, and that is going to be fabric floor mats, not your WeatherTech or rubber floor mats. And that's going to be in a 2009 Kia Spectra. They're my wife's, and like I said, it's an 09. I don't know if these things have ever been shampooed or anything. They've been vacuumed, but that's about it. So they got some gnarly stains, and we're going to be trying out two different chemicals from Chemical Guys to see if we can lift some of these stains. I'm not expecting to get everything out. These things are extremely worn down and really old. I mean, 11 years old now, so I'm not expecting to get everything, but I did one rear floor mat. Obviously, they're not quite as bad, and it turned out amazing. So the products that we're gonna be trying out is a product called Invisible Nonsense from Chemical Guys. This is another bottle that I have the chemical in because it's diluted down. I have it diluted 8-to-1, and you can go as high as 20-to-1. And this is what I used on the first floor mat, and it worked amazing. So I'm going to show you guys this in action, as well as a product called Lightning Fast. This is a stainless extractor, so whereas this Nonsense is a super cleaner for basically anything. You can use it on upholstery, fabrics, anything interior, basically a lot of exterior. So Nonsense is just like an all-purpose cleaner that you can use for a lot of things, but it works very well on the fabric floor mats. And then this, obviously being a stain extractor, it is more directed towards upholstery, fabric, carpet, and stuff like that. So this can also be diluted to 20-to-1. And I have another bottle here with the Lightning Fast diluted down. I have it diluted to 10-to-1, and we're going to be testing it out to see how well it does at 10-to-1, and see how well these floor mats turn out. But these are the two products we're going to be using: Invisible Nonsense from Chemical Guys and Lightning Fast Stain Extractor. So let's see which one does better, or if we need to use both on certain stains. Let's see what happens. So what we have here is the Nonsense, Invisible Nonsense on the left hand side, and the Lightning Fast on the right side. As you can tell, I've already went over this once with the Nonsense, and it is diluted to 8-to-1, and then the Lightning Fast is diluted 10-to-1. So I'm going to do both sides and see how they turn out. And I'm not expecting these to come, out perfect or anything, especially the front ones. They've got 11 years worth of stains and dirt, worked into them and all of that. So as long as they come out, decent. Obviously here you can see the heel wear from the gas pedal, which obviously you can't really do anything about that, but I'm going to see what kind of dirt this is going to take out, any stains and all of that. It did a decent job on the rear driver's side, but obviously the rears aren't as bad. So I'm basically going to spray a light coat on all the floor mats as I go, and then I'm also going to spray the chemical on this nylon bristle brush that I got from Better Boat. Great brush. Great for floor mats and stuff like that. And then afterwards, you can either wipe it dry with a microfiber towel, or you can vacuum it. I will be going over it with this microfiber towel, and we'll see how they turn out. And I'll probably do like a speed scrubbing through this, so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me for minutes upon minutes scrubbing these things. But really, I didn't put a whole lot of effort into this mat, and it came out pretty clean. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the front mat and see how it turns out, and then we'll move on to the Lightning Fast for the other side.
Alrighty, so that's one scrubbing of the nonsense on the driver's side mat. Now obviously around the foot pedal, that is probably going to take either a few coats or it probably just won't come out, because that's 11 years of dirt and stain built around that area. So I'll probably do one more coat, see how it turns out, but now we're going to try the lightning fast on these two mats here and see how they come out. Okay, so it's a huge difference. Obviously, still not perfect, but it's looking a lot better already. And that took me about 10 minutes to do all the mats. As you can tell, I kind of went back and hit that one again, but I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, spray a little bit, let it sit for a little bit, scrub it again, and see how it comes out. It's already a huge difference. Just remember, vacuum it before, make sure everything's good, spray it, let it sit for a little bit, scrub it with the brush, and you can wipe it dry with the microfiber, or you can vacuum it up. But as far as that, I'm going to call it good for now. I'm going to do another coat off camera just to do this again, and then I'll show you the final product and see how it turns out. Alrighty everybody, so by no means is it perfect, but I'm telling you, this is 10 times better than what it was. And here it kind of shows the importance of maintaining your car throughout the years. This is 11 years worth of stains that were almost removed in a 20-minute period. And this is without a carpet shampooer or any hard chemicals. This is a stain remover, but it's pH balanced. It's a really good cleaner. One of them is an all-purpose cleaner. The nonsense over here, which seemed to do a really good job. Obviously here, you're not gonna get the hole that's worn down to the rubber out. And then these have actually been ripped off. There used to be stitching there. So I'm surprised that actually turned out the way it did. But that just shows the importance of maintaining it and cleaning it, on a regular basis. So I'm extremely happy with the way this came out, and I'll continue to maintain it, and it'll probably even get better. But all of these products will be linked down in the description for you guys. You got the nonsense and the lightning fast stain extractor, as well as the nylon bristle brush and all of that. So I really love these products. They've done a really good job, and I can't really say much else. Let me know your guys' thoughts, and also besides vacuuming and prepping what you're cleaning, you might have saw in the video that I went all different directions, to try and get the fabrics lifted up, because they were so stained before and covered in dirt that it was stuck down and you couldn't even get it to stand up. Now you can actually move the fabric around again. So you want to make sure you hit this at every angle and get all that dirt and stuff lifted up out of there. And that brush is basically just agitating all of that built up dirt and stuff over the years and extracting it. So to me, it's done a damn good job, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the description or down in the comment section what you guys think, or if you've used this product, let me know your thoughts, as well as maybe some others that you suggest. I know Super Clean and stuff is always suggested. There's a lot of great chemicals out there for doing this stuff, but I wanted to show this to you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.